Hey everyone, it's Krystal from Theme Park Today and the Crystal Palace, and tonight we are staying at Stella Nova Resort for its opening night. This is one of 3 brand new Universal Orlando's hotel opening with Epic Universe in 2025. It's January 21st, so let's go check out our room here at Stella Nova. So this is our front door here. It does have a peephole. You can look out. Here is the do not disturb signs. Dreams are universal. I love that. And then you walk in, you have a nice full length mirror here. I like the style of it, the rounded, very modern and fits with the room. Behind me, we do have a closet. You open her up. You have a luggage rack, iron, safe, hangers, laundry bags, ironing board, and some extra pillows, comforters, all that good stuff. The lights in here are motion censored, but you can turn them on and off, of course, by the switch. And here is the bathroom area. Here's the vanity. You have one sink with some towels. You have your extra toilet paper, tissues, cups, and a hairdryer in here, as well as some Stella Nova facial soap, Cosmic Ember. We're gonna smell that a little later. Here's the sink. Nice. Tissue box. You have some outlets over here, and here is what the mirror looks like. So here's the bathroom with the toilet and the shower. You see you do have a door that separates from the sink and the rest of the room. So we head in, we have the toilet, I like that they have a towel rack in here. So if you forget your towels out here, you don't have to come back out. You have your towels there. And then here is the shower. Some of the rooms do have a tub. This one has the stand-up shower. I really like these doors a lot. They are sliding glass doors. And here we have shampoo and conditioner, as well as another soap. That is bath soap. And there's the shower. We come out. Let's see if it has a little rack on the back. Yep, we can hang your towels back there. All right, so we come out here to the rest of our room. This has a curtain, which I like too. You can open this up if you want to feel a little more open, or you can close it for privacy from people using the restroom. Then here is the beds. Stella Nova has 750 2-queen bedrooms. It's pretty standard. You can either pick a standard view room, which we have, but it actually gives us a view of Epic Universe. The standard view rooms are pretty great. Or you can get a pool view room. So here's our standard view room. It has a rug, doesn't go all the way. Over here, these lights do control the lights back here, as well as these overhead bed lights. There's a lot of lighting in here, which I really enjoy. The beds seem pretty comfortable. In the middle, we have a nightstand, of course, with a drawer. Here is the TV remote. It does have a button for Netflix and an alarm clock with outlets, more outlets, a lot of outlets in here. And this little mushroom light is pretty cute. So I love how the beds look with the galaxy view. And these pictures are actually from NASA. So here are the windows. The windows are really cool looking. A lot of people were asking, does it feel like you're in a spaceship or on a cruise ship? And no, I think these windows are big enough where it feels really bright, really open. And here we go, our view of Epic Universe. We see Dark Universe over here. Helios Grand Hotel opening May 22nd. Super Nintendo World, wow. There's Stardust Racers. How to Train Your Dragon, I Love Burke a little bit there. And the Kronos, that will be the entrance. So Stella Nova does have a walking path, and it'll be right out front here. Then behind me, we have a nice couch. I like this. If you want to sit, hang out, has a table, more outlets over here and lights. Here's the TV. And you don't have a lot of drawer space. You have 4 drawers. Right here. Here's the pen, paper, the rundown, all you need to know about the hotel. I like this hideaway charging station here. And of course your phone. This is what we got when we walked in. Our room keys in here, as well as a map, shows you around the resort. And this shows the walkway to Universal Epic Universe. I like how this couch cushion comes along the back of the table too. Over here, we do have a mini fridge. A coffee maker, some coffee, condiments, more cups, and an ice bucket. So this is our room here at Stella Nova. Something really cool too is you can control the TV from your phone. High tech, feels very spacious. It's opening night, so we're the first people to stay in this room, so it feels very clean. Smells great in here. And this is our quick room tour of Stella Nova. Be sure to give this video a big like and let us know in the comments if you want the Theme Park Today crew, the rest of the crew, to come down here and stay at Stella Nova. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.